for stopping by. Today I will be sharing a brand new product from Colleen Rothschild. It is a brand new hair care product, and it is her Protect Perfect Styling Cream. I'm going to demonstrate how I used it. I'm going to be blow drying my hair, and then I did put my hair in curlers so that you can see that it does not interfere with the curls or the volume that you're trying to achieve with your styling. And this cream, the styling cream, is a Protect Perfect Styling Cream, a lightweight leave-in treatment which uses a blend of shea and Kupauku butter. I did not say that right, but okay. And this is to help defend against heat and humidity, smoothing the hair while maintaining body and movement. And it did not interfere with my curls. All right, so let's get on with the video. I washed my hair and I've had it in my towel. This is also the Colleen Rothschild microfiber hair towel. It's very nice. I'm not one to really love the feel of microfiber in my hands for cleaning, but I do like them for my hair towels because they really do absorb a lot of moisture. And because of the microfiber absorbing most of the moisture, you don't have to do that rubbing to get it out, and it also speeds up your drying. All right, so we are going to take a small amount of this. I'm going to take just about a little bit larger than a pea size, and I'm going to go ahead and massage it into my hands, and then I'll take it from the ends down, mid-shaft down, and I'm going to work it through. Now this is what's important when you're using products like this. Sometimes people will say, oh, the product doesn't work for me. You have to make sure that you are getting every single strand of hair. So that's why I like to go through with my fingers, and I will even do a little bit of twisting just to make sure that I'm getting all of these strands. And if you're like me, this part of my hair is probably the driest because it's the top layer. I like to make sure I really work the product in that area as well. All right, so I'm going to take just a tad bit more, not a lot, just a tiny little bit, and I'll go ahead and I'll work this side and I'll put it towards the roots so we can see if it weighs the roots down. I don't think it's going to, but we'll see. So I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm just going to go through my hair once. If you have tangles, always start from the bottom and work your way up with a wide tooth comb. You don't want to just go to the top of your head and start combing because you can break the hair. So if your hair is still tangled, usually when I use the Colleen's conditioner, there are no tangles. So I can go right through it, but always start at the bottom and work your way up. All right, because my ends frizz on me first, this is going to be a blow dry tutorial on top of it. I just know it. I'm going to take my brush. I use about a 1.5 inch. There is hair in my brush. I use them. All right, I'm just going to wrap this around. I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and I'm just going to start drying my ends so they don't frizz up on me. Always hold your blow dryer on top. Try not to take too much hair because you can start to have it wrap around the brush and then it will break. So you don't want to have too much hair on the barrel of the brush. Is fully dried. It feels good. It did not take the shine away. It did not weigh it down on the side that I put it on the roots, and it still feels like my hair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit of the Colleen Rothschild. This is the Smooth and Shine Hair Serum. I absolutely love this as a finishing oil. I take all my hair around and I start at the ends and I just work this through my ends. And as I work it through, I just move up. I take this about mid-shaft And that is it. I make sure I incorporate all the hair that is really the dry, damaged hair. And this just brings back a beautiful shine. It tames the flyaways. It really makes the ends look fabulous. And that is how I blow dry my hair using all of Colleen Rothschild's products. And I have to say that the Protect and Perfect styling cream is very nice. It is not weighing down the hair. It has great bounce. All right, my friends, so that is it. I would like to thank Colleen Rothschild for collaborating with me once again. I love all of her hair products. Everything will be listed and linked below for you. If you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, would love to have you as an Ageless Beauty. So head on over and subscribe. Hit the bell while you're there. That notifies you of all the videos that I'm putting up. And if you don't follow me here on Instagram, I would love to have you here as well. Thanks for stopping by. Go out in the world and be lovable. Love you all. Bisous.